If you're tired of diets, this solution would help you lose weight in a month. Life is too short for dieting just to shed some extra pounds. The same goes for gaining some. Losing pounds don't happen as fast as one would expect. Weight loss experts would tell you crash diets are unhealthy and are just for the moment. They say you put back some once you stop. This is not a call for you to submit yourself to the hardships to lose weight. There are proven ways that involve diets that would help you shed those pounds in a month. Let's get down to that. Number 1. Avoid refined carbs as much as you can. They are low in nutrients and fiber after processing. They also contain a lot of calories. When these two scenarios occur simultaneously, the body quickly absorbs the calories into your bloodstream, resulting in sugar spikes and increased hunger. Research shows that people who consume more refined carbs have more fats around their midsection than those who consume whole grains. Cut down on carbs such as breakfast cereals and white bread, and go instead for whole grain foods such as brown rice and quinoa. Number 2. Nothing beats weight reduction like a high protein breakfast. This is one of the simplest ways to lose body fat. It is because it cuts down your appetite and reduces calorie consumption. According to a study, an increase in 30% of protein intake decreases your body weight of about 10 pounds. In addition to this, it makes you feel full and curbs your hunger. Oats, eggs, and yogurts are great examples of high protein foods. Number 3. Eat slowly. Try savoring your food while eating. This is an effective method in reducing food intake while improving upon your feeling of fullness. A study showed that slow eating on average reduced calorie intake by 10% and increased water consumption. This led to an enhanced feeling of fullness, unlike when eating fast. Smaller bites with and lots of water during meals are a great way of cutting down. Number 4. A healthy sleep schedule with enough sleep is another way to reduce body fat. Maintaining a healthy sleep schedule would go a long way to help you shed some extra pounds quickly. From a study conducted, sleep-deprived people experienced an increase in hunger and an increase in the hormones responsible for appetite. 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night won't kill you. Avoid distractions an hour or two before to enhance your sleep cycle and improve upon your weight loss. Number 5. Apart from tampering with your meals, drinking healthier beverages is another way out. Beverages with high sugar and extra calorie content can seriously make you gain weight. Instead of those, opt for water as it helps keep you feeling fuller, improves upon your metabolism, and lowers calorie consumption. Drink 1 to 2 liters of water throughout the day if possible. If you love this video, please like, subscribe, and share.